Welcome back to RideRadar, your trusted pit stop for everything on wheels. We're diving into the future of luxury crossovers with an in-depth look at the 2026 Lexus RX and NX. These two SUVs have long been pillars in the Lexus lineup, and in 2026, they're turning heads with smarter design, more refined interiors, and tech that feels straight out of a concept car. Let's start with what you notice first: the exterior design. Lexus has clearly leaned into a bold evolution, rather than a revolution. Both the RX and NX keep their signature spindle grille, but it's now more integrated into the front fascia, blending seamlessly with a resculpted bumper and sleeker LED headlamps. The RX, being the larger sibling, wears a broader stance with muscular fenders and a sweeping roofline that gently slopes into a floating roof effect. A design trick achieved through blacked-out C-pillars. The RX's front looks athletic, but not aggressive, blending premium lines with a sense of motion even when the vehicle is parked. The 2026 NX, more compact, yet every bit as stylish, sports a sharper grille with horizontal slats, flanked by arrowhead-shaped LED running lights and a slightly more angular overall stance. Lexus has refined the proportions to make the NX feel more agile and urban-centric, without sacrificing the road presence it's known for. Wheel designs across both models now range from 19 to 22 inches, depending on trim, and each option is more expressive than the last. With laser-cut alloy patterns and diamond finishes that shimmer under sunlight, in terms of paint options, Lexus introduces several new hues like Copper Cloud, Midnight Prism, and Deep Slate Blue. These aren't just names, they're experiences. The paint uses multi-layer nanotechnology to add depth and dynamic color shifts under different lighting. The new lighting signature is also worth noting. A continuous light bar stretches across the rear of both SUVs, giving them a futuristic afterglow that enhances visibility and brand identity. Now, design isn't just about looks, it's about intelligence too. Both models feature active aerodynamic elements. The RX comes with a subtle retractable front air curtain system and underbody paneling that reduces drag, while the NX offers a slightly raised ride height and optimized spoiler for improved city efficiency. Lexus has managed to make both cars look dynamic, elegant, and unmistakably premium. Moving to key features, Lexus has absolutely gone to town here. At the core of both models is the Lexus Interface system, but in 2026, it's upgraded with an AI-powered voice assistant that's quicker, smarter, and actually helpful. Need directions, climate adjustments, or want to start your car from your smartwatch? It's all at your fingertips, or just a voice command away. One standout feature is the dynamic glass roof on both RX and NX, not just panoramic, but reactive to sunlight. It dims electronically like transition lenses for your car, and can segment to let in light for front passengers while shading the rear seats. Combined with acoustic glass and enhanced insulation, it makes the cabin whisper quiet, even at highway speeds. Safety is also next level. Lexus introduces the 4.0 version of its safety system, Plus, including predictive collision avoidance with AI driver modeling. It doesn't just react to danger, it learns your habits and anticipates situations. Adaptive Cruise now works in tighter traffic, and the parking assist has been upgraded to handle even complex diagonal parking scenarios. Another new feature worth highlighting is Lexus Smart Connect. Think of it as your digital garage. It links your vehicle to your home devices, EV charging schedule, weather-based route planning, and even remembers your Spotify mood playlists based on the time of day. It's less about gimmicks, it's more about seamless living. The interior design of the 2026 RX and NX takes Lexus's Takumi craftsmanship and injects a sense of modern luxury that's tactile, serene, and driver-focused. Both cabins embrace what Lexus calls Tazuna, the Japanese word for reins, giving the driver precise control through an intuitive layout. Buttons are minimal. Controls are exactly where your hands expect them to be, and the materials, simply top-notch. Inside the RX, you're welcomed with an expansive 14-inch old touchscreen that curves gently toward the driver, flanked by brushed aluminum vents, and soft ambient lighting that changes hue based on drive mode or personal preference. The seats are sculpted, ventilated, and available in materials like semi-aniline leather, suede, or the all-new Sumi synthetic blend that's eco-conscious yet unbelievably plush. The NX carries similar DNA but scales it for its compact size. The dash is a little more minimalist, but it doesn't feel sparse. A new center floating console houses a wireless charging pad, haptic feedback touch controls, and configurable drive selectors. Lexus has also redesigned the rear seating to offer better lumbar support and legroom, especially in the NX 450 hours plus plug and hybrid version, where battery packaging has been cleverly optimized to avoid cabin intrusion. Ambient soundscaping, which Lexus debuted in its flagship LS, now trickles down into these models. You get custom drive sounds, nature-inspired cabin effects, and optional Mark Levinson surround systems with up to 22 speakers that redefine what car audio can be. There's also a fragrance diffuser system, air purifiers, and tri-zone climate, all adjustable via voice or app. When it comes to performance, Lexus strikes a fine balance between comfort and capability. Let's talk engines. The 2026 RX offers three options: a 2.4L turbocharged inline-4, a hybrid variant RX 500h with electric motor assist, the RX 550 hours plus plug-in hybrid, which combines electric range with luxury touring power. The RX 550 hours plus pushes around 367 horsepower with instant torque delivery and does 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds, while giving you up to 42 miles of pure electric range. The NX mirrors this structure. With a base 2.5L naturally aspirated engine, a turbocharged 2.4L in the NX 350, and the plug-in hybrid NX 450 hours plus, which delivers 304 horsepower and a pure EV, range of around 38 miles. This setup is ideal for urban commuters who want electric driving during the week and gas-powered freedom on weekends. All models benefit from revised suspension setups. Lexus has introduced adaptive variable suspension with a wider range of damping. Control, meaning both our X and NX can soften for long highway drives or stiffen for spirited cornering. Steering is more precise thanks to revised electric power assistance. And the RXF Sport trims come with performance-tuned components that genuinely elevate the driving experience. Off-dash road capability isn't forgotten with standard all-wheel drive available across most trims. A new multi-terrain select system adds mud, snow, and gravel settings. While these aren't rock crawlers, both our X and NX can handle rough weather and weekend adventures with surprising grace. Ride quality remains composed, quiet, and confidence inspiring. Finally, let's talk pricing. The 2026 Lexus RX starts at around $51,500, with higher trims reaching up to $68,000. For the RX 550 hours plus F Sport performance, the 2026 NX begins at $41,200, with the NX 450 hours plus plug-in hybrid topping out near $56,000 depending on options. Given the level of craftsmanship, technology, efficiency packed into these vehicles, Lexus is delivering serious value. So whether you're looking for the spacious luxury and road trip comfort of the RX, or the urban agility and tech-rich drive of the NX, the 2026 lineup makes a compelling case. Sleek design, forward-thinking features, crafted interiors, and a powertrain for every lifestyle. Lexus hasn't just kept up with the luxury SUV game, it's redefining it. That's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell so you never miss a ride with RideRadar. Let us know in the comments which Lexus you'd pick, the RX or the NX and why. Until next time, keep your eyes on the road and your radar on RideRadar. RideRadar.